We have a system, and I'm going to solve this system of equation by elimination. I just realized that both of the equations have negative y. So I'm going to subtract in order to cancel the y's. 9x minus 7x is 2x. Negative y minus negative y cancel. Negative 10 minus negative 6, minus negative is the same as plus. So it's negative 10 plus 6. That is negative 4. When I divide both sides by 2, I'll be able to get the value of x, that is negative 2. To get the value of y, I need to substitute x with negative 2 in either of the equations. I am going to choose the second equation because it has easier numbers. So 7x.
Mr. So the y is added or subtracted?
Now you will see. 7x minus y. Be curious, I'm taking the original one. I don't care about the red part that I wrote there. Equals negative 6. Negative 14 minus y is negative 6. Let's add 14 in order to isolate y. Then negative y equals 8. Then y equals negative 8 because I need y, not negative y. So the order term is negative 2 and negative 4. Okay? Let me give you one more example. I'm recording. You can copy later, please. Okay? Here we are. Excuse me there. Sir, please. Can you please let me know how can I cancel easier x or y?
2.
X's are not the same or even opposites.
Multiply.
Multiply what? I can't multiply. If I multiply 2x by x, I get 2x squared.
Divide.
Divide what?
2x.
Think, please, think. Think.
X divided by x. Y divided. 2x times x equals 2x. 15.
That's a good idea. He says, what if I multiply the second equation by 2? Only the second equation by 2. Then I will get the second equation up here. It will be 2x, 6y, negative 10.
So basically combine them.
Pay attention here, please. Pay attention here, please. So what I've done here, I found nothing to be eliminated when I add or subtract them. So I came up with an idea to multiply one of the equations, or maybe both of them, but different values. So I got the same x or the same y, then I can subtract later. Muhammad says, if I multiply the second equation by 2, I will get 2x here, as it's already in the first equation. So the second equation will be 2. When we multiply that by 2, it will be 2x plus 2 times 3, 6y, equals 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And now we can subtract. Remember that the first equation remains the same. We didn't do anything for it. So it's 2x plus 5y equals negative 13. Now I can subtract the right equations. Yes? So I can just do like this, minus. 2x minus 2x? No, x's. 5y minus 6y is a negative y. Negative 13 minus negative 10 equals negative 3. Then y equals 3. Once you get y, feel free to substitute the y value at any of the above 4 equations. At any of them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. At any of them, if you substituted the value of y by 3, you'll be able to get x. Yes?
Instead negative by 30
Here?
negative 3
Negative 15 minus negative 10. It's the same as negative 15 plus 10. It's negative 3. Now, I will choose any of the equations. So let me choose the second one here. It is x plus 3 y, that is 3, equals 5. Do you agree? Yeah? So x is x plus 9 equals 5, minus 9 minus 9. So x equals negative 4. X is negative 4, y is 3.
So, this minus negative 2, negative 9, negative 9.
Yeah, 9 and 9 and negative 9 cancel. So 5 minus 9 is negative 4.
Oh.
Example? Who can give me the idea of that example? Multiply what?
Why?
Y. This y or this y?
Down.
I multiply the down y by what?
By 2y.
If I multiply here by 2y, I will get 2 times x is 12, and y times y is y squared. So I cannot multiply by 2y. Think again. Yes, sir. Somebody's calling? Okay, no problem. Oh. Multiply by 3. Which one? The first equation. So if I multiply the first equation by 3, what will I get? Let's try. 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6y. Wow, I got the same y's. Good. And 3 times 14, 3 times 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, and 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. Here I can subtract. Subtract what? The second group, this group. Okay? 3x minus 12x is negative 9x. 6y minus negative 6y cancel twice. Negative 3 minus 42. Okay? Negative 3 minus 42 is negative 49. Now, can I divide by negative 9 first? Then x equals 5. Do you agree with this? Yes? Can I take this equation there? So I have 4. I have multiplied everything here by 3. This one? No, I subtracted. This one?
They call them quite.
No, it's okay. Now 4x, that is 5, minus 2y equals 14. 4, 5 is 20, minus 2y equals 14. Subtract 20 from both sides. The negative 2y equals negative 6. Divide by negative 2. Then y is positive 3. The answer is 5, 3. You can change this. Let's jump to one more example. Who can give me the idea of this example? Someone please. Think. Yes, sir.
You multiply both the equations.
I multiply both equations to get what?
You get equal values.
Okay, which variable you are focusing on, x or y?
Y.
Let's focus on y. I can actually focus on x, but let's focus on y. So I need these two y's to be the same. If I multiply 2 by 3, I will get 6y. And if I multiply 3 by 2, I will get 6y.
1.5
Yeah.
multiplied by 1.
So, why 1.5? I need the same number twice. So I will multiply this by 3 and this by 2. So I will change the both equations. You will realize here. You will realize here. So 3 times 6 is 18x. And 3 times 2, 6y. And 3 times 4, 12. 2 carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the first equation. Let's move to the second one. The second one will be turned to 8x plus 6y equals 2. What do you notice? I've just got y's the same, so I can subtract.
Yes.
So now I'm going to subtract. I will subtract here. Help me please to subtract 18x minus 8x is
10.
6y minus 6y cancels y. 42 minus 2 is
40.
divide by 10, then x is 4. Substitute x somewhere in any of these equations, any of them, you will get the value of y. So 6, 4 plus 2y equals 14. 6 times 4 is 24. Plus 2y equals 14. Subtract 24. Then 2y equals negative 10. Divide by 2. Y is negative 5. That's the answer. Thank you so very much. That was everything today. Please subscribe.